Learn how to craft some super fun little puffy stars. You're going to be making this using paper strips cut to an exact size, which I will share with you below. I actually recommend purchasing pre-made strips. You'll start by tying a loose knot and then slowly folding it into a hexagon. So it should pretty naturally flatten into a hexagon. Make sure it's nice and tight and adjust your knot as needed. You're going to take the short tail and fold it over. It should be, long enough that it could tuck in, that it could fold over the whole hexagon and then tuck into the opposite side of the knot underneath where the long tail is sticking out. Flatten it, and then you're going to start folding your long tail around the star so that it aligns with the end that it most naturally falls against, but the fold should be flush against the fold of the star. And you're just folding it around and around and around. The exact amount of times is going to have to depend on how long the tail was versus the other side. So I don't like to give an exact number for this. When you get to the end where it could just barely go over one more time, you fold it over and then you fold over that tiny little tail again if needed. And you're tucking it in to the previous fold where, you have a cross where it most naturally tucks in. A lot of this tutorial is sort of like using your gut where things fall most naturally. And once you make one, you're going to be able to really practice a lot and do more. So once you've done that, you're going to, fluff it out a little bit and point in the corners and let the center fluff out and adjust it with your nails. You should have nails for this project, but even if you don't, you should be able to do pretty well with your fingertips. That is all. You have these adorable little puffy stars that you can use as confetti or as a bowl filler or as decorations or just make for fun. This is really a cute little fidget craft, the kind of thing that, you just make mindlessly. You'll want to make 100 of them. You'll get better and better at it as you go along. Make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, just drop a comment and I'll answer as soon as I can. And of course, feel free to let me know if you have any suggestions for which tutorials or which types of projects you're looking for next.